Good morning or good evening, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, what we're going to be talking about is the probabilities involved in manufacturing, and we've got some practice questions to go over. So the practice question is, you are working as a quality control manager in a manufacturing plant. The weights of the products are normally distributed as a mean of 50 kilograms and a standard deviation of 5 kilograms. Find the weight that corresponds with the 90th percentile of the distribution. And so what we're going to do is we're going to import scipy.stats and we're going to import norm. So scipy is Python's scientific library, and stats is a statistical module within scipy, and norm is a function that or model that they're going to be using within the module. So we're going to set the parameters of the normal distribution. So the mean is 50 kilograms and the standard deviation is 5 kilograms. And then we're going to set the percentile to find. And we're looking for the 90th percentile, which is 0.9. So we're going to use the weight percent point function, PPF, to find the corresponding weight. So weight equals norm, that's your normal distribution, dot PPF, that's percent point function, brackets, percentile, that's 0.9, comma, log equals mean of 50, comma, scale equals standard deviation of 5. And then we're going to print the weight that corresponds to 90th percentile is approximately the weight. So that's the 90th percentile of 50 kilograms is 56.41 kilograms. Okay, so the next question that we have is, what is the weight that corresponds with the 95th percentile of the distribution? So from scipy.stats, we're going to import norm. So again, scipy is Python's scientific library. Stats is a statistical module within scipy. And norm is the distribution that we're going to make to find the answer to this question. So your mean is 50 kilograms. Your standard deviation is 5 kilograms. And the percentile to find is the 95th percentile. So that's 0.95. And we're going to use the percent point function, that's PPF, to find the corresponding weight. So weight equals norm, that's your normal distribution, dot PPF, that's percent point function, brackets, percentile, which is 95%, comma, log, which is the mean of 50, comma, scale, which is the standard deviation of 5. And then we're going to print the weight that corresponds to the 95th percentile is approximately kilograms. So 95 percentile of 50 kilograms is 58.22 kilograms. So we have another question that we're going to ask. What is the weight that corresponds with the 50th percentile or median? And again, from scipy.stats, we're going to import norm. So scipy is your scientific library. Stats is a statistical module within scipy. And norm is the normal distribution that we're going to be making to solve this problem. So we set our parameters of the normal distribution. The mean is 50 kilograms. The standard deviation is 5 kilograms. And we've looked to find the percentile, which is the 50th percentile or median. So that's 50%. And we used the percent point function, PPF, to find the corresponding weight. So weight equals norm, that's your normal distribution, dot PPF, that's percent point function, brackets, percentile, which is 0.5, comma, log, which is a mean of 50, comma, scale is a standard deviation of 5. And then we print the weight that corresponds with the 50th percentile median is, and that's going to be 50 kilograms. So 50th percentile of 50 kilograms is 50 kilograms. And so in this instance, the mean and the median are the same because the mean is 50 kilograms and your 50th percentile is the median, and that's also 50 kilograms. And in previous videos, we talked about the mean, median, and mode. And so with normal distribution, the mean, in this instance, the mean is the same as the median. So that's very interesting. So this video has come to a conclusion. The next video, we've got some questions concerning sandwiches. So I hope that you decide to watch it.